I gotta sell a freaking vehicle.
Cash money, dude. What the f is this?
Oh, man. I really don't want to do this. The show must roll on, and I gotta sell a freaking vehicle to keep funding this thing. I know we can get good money for Lambo. I'm gonna sell it cheap. It is what it is. Alright, just post it up. Hopefully we get some lookers.
Oh dang, dude, it's time for a new whip. 195, 75 grand. Yo, this thing is dope. Yo, that fitment is sick. You still sitting on this? God. This thing is sick. Wow. God. This fitment is absolutely insane.
Yo, what's up, dude? You have any trouble finding the spot?
Nah, bro, not at all. This car is nuts, dude.
What's up, dude? Matt.
Hey, what's up, bro?
Cool.
How you doing?
I'm good. So, what do you think of this thing, dude?
Yo, I'll take it. Right now. I'll take it.
All right, dude. No, I love it. How you gonna pay for it?
Cash money, dude.
Sick. Let's see what we got here. Hell yeah. It's all yours, man.
God. Whew.
Let me pull it around for you, dude.
Nani? Yo, what the f is this?
What's up?
Yo, really, bro?
It's 2006 Lamborghini Murcielago, dude. Wide body, Liberty Walk. Here, I'll help you load it up. You wanna pop the trunk?
Hey, we're rolling.
That is incredibly rude. But, while we're here, if you see any of our videos, we don't care about anyone else, any Haugen Racing videos in that tab over there, in the recommended tab, why don't you go ahead and click those right now and check them out. Oh, so you have trouble listening. Well, in that case, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'll wait. You're welcome. Now go ahead and check out these other two videos and stick around. See you soon.